Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your current APR with SoFi credit card, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your current APR with your SoFi credit card, start by gathering your card information. Ensure you have your SoFi credit card handy, along with any account login credentials. Visit the official SoFi website or open the SoFi mobile app on your device. If you're using the website, click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your registered email address and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the credit cards section from the main dashboard. Here, you will see an overview of your credit card details. Look for the option labeled Account Summary or Card Details. In this section, you should find information regarding your current APR. If you are unable to find it, you may click on Manage Card for more options. Alternatively, you can contact SoFi customer service for assistance. To do this, scroll down to the bottom of the page for contact information. If you're using the mobile app, log in with your credentials as you did on the website. Tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the app. Select your SoFi credit card from the list presented. You will then be taken to a screen with detailed card information. Locate the APR information, usually found alongside your balance and transaction details. If it is still unclear, use the Help or Support feature within the app. This may include FAQs or direct access to a customer representative. Finally, take note of your current APR for your records. That's it. You've successfully verified your current APR with your SoFi credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.